Are you constantly struggling with expensive email marketing campaigns that fail to engage your audience and convert them to buyers? Spending endless hours crafting emails that go unnoticed in crowded inboxes? Worrying if your emails will end up in the spam folder? Missing out on potential sales while your competitors excel in their email marketing efforts? It's not your fault. When you send emails like these, you're bound to get results like these. Listen, it's 2023. Your audiences are bombarded with countless emails every day, and if your emails don't grab their attention, they'll simply ignore them. Or worse, mark them as spam. In this new world of hyper-interaction and engagement, your audience needs something interactive, something that makes them go, "Hey, this is cool." You need to send emails that will make your subscribers sit up, take notice, and eagerly await your next email, like these ones here. They get you amazing results like these. I know, creating these is not easy. If you try to do it yourself, you'll end up spending countless hours on writing and designing, and at least a couple of $100 every month on subscriptions for complicated tools that help you create and add interactive elements to your emails. Of course, you can outsource the whole thing. That will get the job done, but would leave a big hole in your pocket. Luckily, we've created a new solution that unlocks the power of interactive emails to captivate your audience, skyrocket your conversions, and generate massive profits. It creates the same kind of emails that are being used by Netflix and other big brands to engage and convert their audience. Introducing MailConversio AI, the ultimate AI-powered email engagement solution that will revolutionize your email marketing campaigns. With MailConversio AI, you can transform your ordinary emails into captivating experiences that leave a lasting impression. Our innovative Netflix-style email booster solution is designed to transform your emails into profit-generating machines. With MailConversio's AI built-in AI-powered spam detection technology, you can rest assured that your emails will reach your recipients' inboxes and maximize their reach. Gone are the days of spending endless hours crafting emails that go unnoticed. With MailConversio AI, you can create attention-grabbing email campaigns in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Choose your preferred interactive element from the wide range of 20+ elements available. Step 2. Personalize the element with ease, tailoring them to your campaign goals and embed them into your emails effortlessly using the provided shortcode. Step 3. Send out your engaging emails confidently, knowing that MailConversio AI's built-in spam detection technology keeps your messages out of spam folders and maximizes their reach. You don't need any copywriting or technical skills. It's that simple. We understand that compatibility is crucial when it comes to email marketing. That's why MailConversio AI is compatible with all major autoresponders and email service providers. Whether you're using GetResponse, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, or any other popular provider, MailConversio AI seamlessly integrates with your existing tools and apps. In today's digital world, where 37% of brands are increasing their email budget and 77% of marketers have seen an increase in email engagement, it's clear that emails are still the ROI powerhouse. Research suggests that 99% of email users check their emails every day. Your audience is actively using their email accounts, and it's your chance to grab their attention. You need emails that stand out, emails that captivate, and emails that make people go, "Wow." That's where MailConversio AI comes in. Our AI-powered email engagement solution is packed with innovative features and interactive elements that will transform your email marketing game. With over 20+ interactive elements to choose from, including forms, questionnaires, polls, social badges, countdown timers, and call to action buttons, you'll have everything you need to captivate your recipients and drive immediate action. Imagine the impact of sending emails that let your audience click, vote, and interact with your content. It's like having a virtual conversation with each and every subscriber, making them feel heard, understood, and valued. This level of personalization and engagement leads to higher click-through rates, increased conversions, and ultimately, more profits for your business. But that's not all. When you act now, you'll also receive a free commercial license, allowing you to create and sell Netflix-style interactive email campaigns to clients for a monthly fee. It's an incredible opportunity to start a side hustle and profit from the booming demand for interactive email marketing services. Take a look at the kind of money businesses are happily paying for such interactive email campaigns that you can now create in minutes using MailConversio AI. Try MailConversio AI risk-free with our 14 days money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, we'll refund you every penny. No hassles, no questions asked. And of course, you can keep all the sales and profits you've generated. MailConversio AI is fully cloud-based, which means there's nothing to download or install or set up. Just log in, create your email booster, and start profiting instantly. Grab MailConversio AI right now and captivate your audience, skyrocket your conversions, and generate massive profits 24/7. Click the button below to get started right away.